What is that?
I don't know.
Do I have spiders living in my ear?
Possibly. Are you excited?
I'm always excited for a beauty trip. The clue. I mustache you to shave all questions for later.
That's funny.
I mean, what else? What could that be?
We're shaving my face.
Yeah.
Do you usually shave your face, like yourself?
Yeah, I've let it go for a little bit. I'm so haggard. I'm like,
I've seen you with like a big one.
I've had bigger. Even though I've shaved a long time, my skin's so sensitive, I've tried to like figure out ways to make it less unpleasant. And it seems like really important to like get your skin like really wet and like, you know, let shaving cream really settle in there. Shaving's like not fun.
I'm glad that I don't have to do it.
I mustache you to join me.
Thank you. You just stole the joke from the
I didn't stole it, there's just not that many,
Jarrett.
okay? Oh, how about, here we go.
That was good.
Oh, yes, all right.
Hi, I'm Genevieve.
Jarrett, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Lily, welcome to the Art of Shaving. We're gonna do a premium shave and haircut on you today. We're gonna treat you very nice.
That feels good, because I'm definitely due. I feel like a Muppet at this point.
No problem, we're gonna take you from caveman to sheep, and we'll get you all set today. Are you ready?
I'm more than ready. Let's do it.
Fantastic, let's do it.
Welcome to the Art of Shaving.
Thank
I'm Jose.
you.
I'm the master barber here.
Jarrett and
Hi,
Hi, nice
I'm
to
here
meet you.
for moral support.
Awesome. Hey, that's
Yeah.
good.
It's like taking my son to his first haircut.
Oh, wow. Now, is it the first time here?
here, yes, the first time here. I've gotten shaves before, but very rarely.
Do you usually, I know you let in a girl, but are you usually going for a style that you would like to go for? Or you want to go short, you want to go dramatic, you still want to keep it long?
What's dramatic?
I mean,
what does that mean?
A little bit of an edgy look. You know, like for example, me, I have the long hair in top and I have a little bit short.
That's kind of cool. I feel
I
like,
think he should be
like-
pretty edgy,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
like edgy, but like low maintenance.
This is Moxie.
It's called Moxie?
It's called Moxie. Yeah,
Okay.
and it's really amazing. Here.
Moxie, what people say when you're like, they have a lot of moxie.
Yeah. No, you feel like it's going that old timey
We're-
vibe.
we're-
It's
like, we're-
that,
like, should
yeah,
we go to,
yeah,
like,
you know, a lot of Moxie, kid. Hey, see.
So you were saying you want to go a little edgy, but not crazy edgy.
Look, I'm in for whatever. I'm gonna like let Lilz guide the ship.
Oh!
Wow, all right.
I am. I'm just here to be molded. I just want to look good, preferably good.
Ooh, we're so edgy.
I'm an edgy guy, Lilz.
There you go.
This is gonna be a dumb question, but how do clippers work? Like, how does it know not to cut it all off?
Well, I mean, there's sizes. Right now we're using a 2, so whoever wants to know.
2?
I'm using a attach number 2, so it's gonna pretty
What
much.
does it range from?
It goes from 0 to like 10.
Okay.
Yes.
Are these all, I can't tell, some of it's like hair
Yes.
that's fallen into your...
Yeah,
that
so-
is so
I have some ear hairs, Lilz.
No, like honestly, those are longer than your like longest eyebrow hair.
Are you
They're-
serious?
they're-
Oh,
yeah.
they're long.
Yeah, they're there.
Whoa.
They're coming out of your ear.
I mean, I can just do this and I can feel ear hairs, so. What? I'm getting old, I told you. You never heard that? Shave and a haircut, 2 bits.
What
you
is
never heard
that
that?
from?
I've never heard of that too.
You've never heard that?
I have, but
That's the
what
song.
are the words?
Shave and a haircut.
That's a song?
2 bits.
You leave it as a handlebar so he looks very old-timey.
What do you think?
I'm laughing.
Honestly, it could be a lot worse. Like he could be like,
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, right there.
Oh yeah, dude.
Wait, are we getting his ear?
We're
We're gonna need a close-up of this. Like even just.
Oh man! Listen to that reaction.
I need you to react.
I wish
you
I
need
could
to see it.
see
I'm
it.
gonna take a picture and show you.
Wow.
They're
What
coming
is going
out.
on in
It's
there?
like a small sea creature is in there
Dude,
or something.
What is that?
I don't know.
Do I have spiders living in my ear?
Possibly.
I mean, I was telling you, I'm about to braid it if
Like,
you want.
It could be
Dude,
bird nest.
yeah.
That's insane.
I'm aware.
He's using like industrial clippers to deal with my ear hair.
I wanted to pluck them, so I feel like you should be happy with this.
No, I'm glad we're not plucking them because I think they serve a protective function.
They do, but not this long.
He was like, not those ones, the ones in your ear, not the ones coming out.
Alright, so now we're gonna apply the facial wash.
Ooh, that smells so good.
It's cleansing the face. Are you doing a daily routine? You apply facial wash or scrub or any
Not really.
power brush and stuff like that?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Such a beauty guru.
What is that?
This
like a
is a power
Clarisonic.
brush.
This is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, that's incredible.
So this is good, especially you're telling me you're getting ingrown hairs. This
Yeah.
is really, really good because it really it digs inside there.
Nice
So it helps
exfoliator.
exfoliate your
So
skin.
good.
Yeah, definitely. So now I'm gonna apply facial scrub.
Oh, so you do the.
That was the cleanser.
That was a
So
cleanser
you do a
part
cleanser, then the brush, then the brush,
then the
thing,
brush,
then
and
the
then now
scrub.
we're gonna go ahead and apply the
Take
facial
notes.
scrub.
Okay, this feels good too.
Oh yeah, now you
Also
want to
smells
rub this
good.
down. Make sure you don't want to overdo it as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because you don't want to irritate your skin, especially you are sensitive, so
Yeah.
you want to be careful with that as
Okay,
well. Because
okay.
don't forget you're gonna continue the shave part of it.
Right. Do you
Those
do
are nice.
masks, Jose?
Yes, and you will get a mask as well.
Oh.
Yeah, you're getting the works. And then now we are applying the pre-shave oil. Now this is gonna soften your skin, gives the blade a better glide. So this is the shave.
Ooh, it's
cream.
hot.
Nice
It
and
is?
rich, foamy.
Yeah, it feels good.
Nice and warm. So I know I have leather machines. So
Yeah, that's
for-
amazing.
if you're home, you're gonna be using a brush.
I want to go back to the lather
Oh
machine.
yeah, look at this
What?
right here.
I know. I want.
Guys, get to
Check this out.
How? So is what's in there?
So it's
what
our
is-
shaving cream. Look at that. And you only need a little bit.
Oh, and it feels like I was hoping that it would be more of that kind of like whipped kind of
Right?
one, but it feels like that still.
All right. Now, when I shave, I like to do small strokes instead of doing long ones.
Okay.
Every barber is completely different.
Get that noise.
Make sure you always go with the grain first and then relather and go against the grain.
This many people staring at you right now. I know that we're like distracting you and talking a lot, but how long does it usually take?
This? An hour 15, an hour 30, everything that I'm
For
doing.
like hair, beard, everything.
beard, an hour 15, an hour 30 minutes. All right, so now we're done with the shave, and now we're gonna go ahead and apply a clay mask. I'm gonna cover your eyes with rose water. There we go. So we want to start from the bottom part here.
Doesn't feel nice. I love when people like paint with a
Right?
second paintbrush.
So you're gonna feel a little bit of a tingling. Do you feel that?
Yeah, it feels good though.
All right. And it's gonna dry up with the grain.
I don't think I've ever seen you quite so sedate.
Well, I feel very like just still. Gotta just stay still.
Look how bright that fur looks.
Honestly, you look great.
So this is the cold towel. Essential oil of lavender.
God.
So
Do
good.
you guys like lavender?
Lavender's the one that
Yes.
makes you go to sleep. isn't
Really?
it?
Well, it's nice and relaxing.
I
The cold-
love
the
lavender.
cold towel is pretty much gonna wake you up. So this is a aftershave balm.
You put it on so delicately.
Oh yeah,
and I
you
feel
do.
like
You do. Yeah. When you apply that, you don't want to rub it because you just got a very close shave, so you don't want to irritate this.
I mean, I just feel like even with facials and stuff, I see him doing that, and I'm like, oh, that's not what it looks like when I wash my own face.
You're like
Yeah.
digging
Like,
inside there.
Ooh, yeah.
Hello there, nice to meet you.
Hello.
Look at that.
Feeling nice.
All bright.
I mean, like, I feel a little snoozy also. I feel like a little, like, sedated.
Alright, so now we're applying some.
He just looks like,
It's like the dog at the vet, you know? Or not the vet. The vet, they're terrified. At the groomer, where they're just, like, standing there at the end.
what
Blow
dogs do you
drying
know?
them.
They're like the groomer. I feel like that's
I
like
see him on
another.
Instagram. I get to see it now.
Are you excited?
I'm very,
Wait,
I
is there
just,
a
you
brush,
know.
don't you? I feel like you're supposed to like
Oh.
brush off the shoulders and stuff.
Look what I'm forgetting.
Like, God, haven't you seen a movie before?
There we go.
Oh wait, what is that? I just thought that there was, I didn't.
That's powder. Corn powder. There we go. We just
Oh.
finished it right there.
Oh, a little corn powder.
What happened? Look what happened right there. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm so.
You're like I was born ready.
Yeah, I feel like brand new.
Well, Jarrett, here we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Edgy.
Yeah. Wow. Oh.
You and your fanny pack are reborn.
I'm reborn. Do you like do you like this?
Yeah.
I feel like your edgy choice worked out.
I was gonna say, of course I like it. It was my decision.
Yeah. Hi. You might not recognize me. I'm Jarrett. I was on the first half of this show. And now I'm in the end of this show. Dude-y Trippin.
Are you ready to film the outro, or are you too busy taking a selfie?
No,
right now?
I wasn't taking a selfie. I was
Guys,
trying to
Jarrett
look at
has
it.
changed.
Because look.
He's a changed man.
I'm gonna be a male Insta
He's gonna be
hair
a beauty
model
guru
now.
that doesn't do makeup.
That's right. I don't do makeup. I just do skin treatments and cosmetic sort of spa treatments for men.
You do like it.
I love it.
You're happy. You're not mad at me.
No, I think this looks nice.
I think it looks very nice.
Yeah, I think it's like, plus it feels fresh. Like, you know, every once in a while it's nice to like cut your hair really short, and like the first time you take a shower and you shampoo, you're like, whoa, it feels so cool.
If I was a guy, shaved head all the time, buzz cut.
I think I'll end up doing it at some point.
Because then you have the fuzzy, like you can like pet it. Let us know what you think of Jarrett's new hair and new face, and what else should we have him do?
My new hair, my new face.
Beauty guru journey.
Am I viable? Am I viable as a beauty guru in the current beauty sphere?
Well, the beauty sphere is pretty dramatic these days, so I think you would be a knife. Wow.
A knife?
A
I
knife.
think you'd be a knife at this end.
I think you'd be a nice brush of. Wow, I can't
Wow,
talk.
a brush of fresh air.
Subscribe if you haven't. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Like it.
Thank you for being
Hit the
here
bell.
today. This is the Mia Thermopolis of this episode.
Yeah, be nice to me about this. I feel good about it.
It looks good.
Thank you.